Hello guys, this is Lady Grandma Hotness, but you can call me Lady Hotness because I'm hot, and I'm here with my cousin, sadly.
You're so mean.
Okay, so today I'm gonna be showing you how to be hot.
You're
Yes,
not hot.
I mean hot.
You're not hot.
Shows that I'm hotter than him. So the first thing you need to do is to go in the shop. Then where is it? Oh my gosh. This is very awkward. I'm trying to find something. Oh,
You're
there
so
it is.
weird.
You need to buy high heels. High heels, I say. And you better buy, you can buy it in any color, but I recommend you buy it in green. So yeah, here are my high heels. The next thing you need to get is some hair. Some real hair.
Wait. What if
What?
they're non-member?
Then they can get the, where is it? Oh, I don't know. They can go bald.
They can go bald.
Yes, they can go bald. Oh, I don't like going bald.
Okay.
So
Wait, can you hear
yeah.
anything?
Next thing you need to buy is a dress, like this. I
But what if
recommend
they're
buying the Jamal.
non-member? What if they're non-member?
I don't know. Okay, so I recommend the John tree dress, but I
The Jamala Day.
really recommend you to
It's
buy the
called
princess.
Jamala Day dress.
Shut up! I mean, I mean.
Wait, where did you go?
Okay, so in the diamond shop there is a dress called the princess dress. I really recommend that for weddings and etc. and all that. But the only problem they have is they don't have it in green. I'm like really mad right now. Like they don't have it in green or purple. I was so mad. So mad that they don't have it in green. Okay, so once you're all fabulous, you have to go to the pillow room and then start some juicy drama. Example.
You sound gay.
I'm hot, guys. Yes, you have to say this to everyone so everyone will know the word, know that you're hot. See?
You're not hot.
Jeez, I'm actually going. Excuse me? Excuse me?
Jesus.
Wow, this is very heartbreaking. This is very heartbreaking. Excuse me? Excuse me?
You're colder than a rock.
Oh, wow. Can't spell. Understand jealousy. I just
You're
can't
colder.
handle it. Okay, I'm hotter than you.
Wait.
Hi, evil witch. Excuse
Oh!
me. Ew, non-members. Ew, non-members.
I'm a non. I'm a non-member.
That's how you treat non-members if they rude to you. Oh, excuse me. I'm gonna jump up and down on them now. I'm mad. I'm mad.
Ew.
That's how you treat non-members if they're mean to you. Excuse me? But I'm hot.
You're not. You're an evil witch.
Well, that really mean. I know. Because I'm hot.
You're not hot. You're ugly. Nobody likes you.
So they could be really bad people. What do you mean? You have a problem with non-members.
You're a non-member.
Yes. Non-members that don't know hotness.
You're not hot. You're not hot.
Yes, I am.
No, you're not. Why are we fighting over hotness?
Because I'm hot and that you're jealous of me. Duh.
Why are you always creating drama here?
Well, it's
You're-
part of being hot. Because people are just jealous.
So?
Ah,
Doesn't mean that you don't have. Doesn't mean that you have to create drama.
yes, I need to. I'm hot.
You're not.
Evil witch is
hot.
a non-member. Oh, wow.
You're not hot.
Oh,
You're
wow.
colder than ice.
I'm colder than ice? I think you're talking about yourself.
You're.
You guys saw that fake gold bunny?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yep. Starting drama is so funny.
You're ugly. You're not hot. Nobody likes you.
Yes, I am.
No, you're not. You look like a person wearing a dress, and you're gay.
What?
You look like someone that has been smoking crack every day for the past 5 years. You left.
Thì bây giờ mình mới biết que tới đây mình biết chứ trước ở nó nhờ fan mình đâu biết đâu.
Oh wow, awkward silence. You locked me out. You quit Animal Jam. You're not hot.
Chơi.